welcome back guys. We're in for another exciting episode. So we've just finished our debriefing. We're making our way down the mountain pass. Apparently a lot of tight roads, a few river crossings, quite excited about that. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Quite excited. We've also been told that we should arrive at camp at about 4:30 today. So let's see. So we had to stop the convoy. One of the guys had a flat wheel, so we're going to just quickly change it and then we'll be back on the road. Small obstacle here in the way. Okay, well. So another wheel on the trip, so yeah. Just trying to flatten it out, just so that the cars don't get caught up. They've had to use the winch on the first few vehicles. The front left, yeah. Yeah, front left. I'm struggling with the recovery here. Very, very thick mud. Max tracks are even just sinking into the mud. I reckon we're still in for about another 3 or 4 hours if we're lucky. Arrived here in the forest. We've got quite a heavy recovery. Busy rebuilding roads, cutting trees, trying to find a pathway forward. It's almost 4 o'clock. and they reckon we're still about another 2 to 3 hours away from camp. So let's see how long this takes us. So the road that we thought we were going to use, unfortunately, is also still stuck. So we've still got another 2 recoveries this side. It's the first time I've seen Mr. Tony use a winch.
My winch is an Ironman winch which is broken. It pulled out of the lug. My new Ironman winch. 12 tons of Ironman nothingness.
Don't stop, go straight. I say. Slowly. Just watch that log in.
You know what I mean? For 31 years, it's pretty good. It's like 12 morning.
This is pretty. Still driving through the riverbed trying to make our way to camp.
Going right about there was underneath this walkway.
JP, are you guys through there?
So one of the vehicles fell off the bridge. Oh. Busy changing the third tyre for the day. And we've still got roughly about 4 or 5 k's still to get to camp.